Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on your CUBOT Tab 10. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Here, find the files that you want to pack, and in my case it's right here. Select each of the files, click on this plus button. Here you'll be able to change any archiving options, so just browse through them and see which options you like. I'm gonna stick to the default one as it works fine as well. So let me just change the name and then click on OK. And right here we'll create a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.